City of San Gabriel is a suburb of the city of Los Angeles. City of San Gabriel is named after the Mission San Gabriel Arcángel. City of San Gabriel is about 21 minutes, 11.8 miles, east of downtown Los Angeles. City of San Gabriel was incorporated on April 24, 1913. City of San Gabriel has a total area of 4.15 square miles, 10.74 square kilometers. The city is bordered on the north by City of San Marino, on the east by City of Temple City and City of Rosemead, to the south by City of Rosemead and to the west by City of Alhambra. Most business and restaurants are located along with Valley Boulevard and Los Tunas Drive. City of San Gabriel is one of the LA cities with the largest number of Asian Americans in Los Angeles County. The conglomeration of Asian restaurants and cafes, shops, markets, hair and nail salons, video stores, health services, department stores, plus an extensive jewelry mart, provides something for everyone, from purchasing an expensive diamond and shopping for designer suits, to buying soy milk or a travel package to domestic USA or international countries. According to the 2000 census, these were the 10 neighborhoods in Los Angeles County with the largest percentage of Asian residents: Chinatown, Monterey Park, Cerritos, Walnut, Roland Heights, San Gabriel, Rosemead, Alhambra, San Marino, and Arcadia. Mission San Gabriel Arcángel is one of tourist attraction destinations of San Gabriel, California. Mission San Gabriel Arcángel is a Roman Catholic mission and historic landmark in San Gabriel, California. The settlement was founded by Spaniards of the Franciscan Order on the Feast of the Birth of Mary, September 8, 1771, as the fourth of what would become 21 Spanish missions in California attract millions of visitors each year. Sadly, a July 11, 2020 fire destroyed the roof of the Mission San Gabriel Church. Fire crew managed to stop the blaze before it reached the altar, museum, and the adjacent rectory. The roof had been destroyed and there was substantial damage to the old church. An arson suspect was charged with setting fire to historic San Gabriel Mission on May 5, 2021. A fundraising campaign was subsequently launched to repair the damage, with work beginning first on the roof, which will hopefully be fully functional and ready by spring 2022.